also have turnkey packages where drop in, drop out skids, or we can accompany custom systems like this to suit you. Let's take a look. So 24 volt, just up over 9 metre. From a distance shot, quite substantial with this high flow gun. So as I mentioned before, any information you can get us on the web at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.